Coffee is not just a drink. It's an emotion for millions across the world. But did you know, organically grown coffee is healthier for us and better for our planet too? Today on Discover Agriculture, let's explore the beautiful journey of organic coffee farming. Coffee loves cool climates, high altitudes, and rich living soil. Organic farming begins with clean land, free from chemicals, often in hilly regions under natural shade trees like silver oak and jackfruit. These trees protect the soil and give biodiversity a home. Instead of chemical fertilizers, organic coffee relies on compost, farmyard manure, and green leaves. The soil stays alive, fertile, and full of beneficial microorganisms. Healthy seedlings of Arabica or Robusta are planted during the monsoon. Shade trees balance sunlight, preserve moisture, and slowly build the coffee's unique aroma and flavor. No synthetic pesticides here. Farmers use neem oil, cow-based bio-inputs, regular pruning, and cover crops. Many plantations even keep beehives, improving pollination and earning extra income from honey. After 3 to 4 years, coffee plants are ready for harvest. Only ripe red cherries are hand-picked, a process called selective picking, ensuring premium quality beans. Organic coffee may take more effort, but the rewards are worth it. Better prices, healthier farmers, living soil, and a truly chemical-free cup of coffee. So next time you sip your coffee, remember its journey, grown with patience, care, and deep respect for nature. Organic coffee is truly a brew for a better tomorrow. This is Discover Agriculture. Like, share, and subscribe for more real farming stories and agri-business ideas.